Yo, today I'm going to show you guys how to get free Starpets promo code. So go to OG Snags and find it, and then press get code. And as you can see, we have this whole page here. We're all going to get our own codes. So just press show code and wait for it to load. So once it loads up, it's just going to say like get full code right here. So just go ahead and press this. And it's going to redirect you to this page here. It's going to ask you what do you like about shopping at Amazon. So you just want to make sure you answer this to the best of your ability. So I'm going to do super fast shipping. It doesn't matter which one you pick. But then we'll have to enter our email. So make sure you guys enter an email you can regularly access because they're going to send your Starpets code here. So next thing, it says activating your reward. And we need to register, guys. So this is important because we need to prove we're real. Because they don't just give these codes out to anyone. So let me just type in all my information right here as you can see. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and put it in. Okay, let's just do this right here as you guys can see. Alright, so I'm just going to type this in. So anyway, guys, once you're done, we should be good to go. So let's just go ahead and do this right here as you can see. So next step is the survey, guys. So this is really easy to do, but we have to do a survey. So let me just answer all the questions here as you can see. Alright, so I'm just going to answer all these questions. Pretty easy, nothing too insane. So let me just go ahead and do this right here as you guys can see. Alright, so I'm just going to answer all these. Okay, so after you answer all the questions, you should be good to go. So let's just go ahead and do this right here as you can see. Alright, let's just go ahead and do this. Okay, alright. So anyway, guys, now we just need to press I agree and continue, and it's going to bring us to the deals. So this is the final thing you got to do. These deals, it's pretty easy. I'll show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here as you can see. Alright, so as you can see, guys, it's going to say like survey done, optional offers finished. So that leads us to the deal. So the deal is you got to download like an app and reach a certain level on it. So as you can see, it says complete one deal on this level to continue. So it's pretty simple. As you can see, it says complete one deal. So you got to do like one of these deals. It's usually like download an app, like they have this Monopoly Go, reach board level 18, and it has a $0 cost. So this should be super easy for you. So complete one of these, and then they'll send you your Starpets code. So I'll see you later, and peace out.